Hey YouTube, this is my video bike check. Start off with the grips. Duodola grips with Odyssey bars. Got it from Sam. Verde stem, yeah. Forks, Verde forks, stock.
Verde.
Alienation rim,
Plain black.
Black smokes.
By Primo.
Primo and a Haro hub. And
By Haro.
Odyssey Aiken tire.
By Odyssey.
Odyssey twisted pedals.
They're twisted.
And Child Conspiracy.
Crank
Sprocket. Crank and Bones. CM, whatever the fuck it's called.
KMC chain.
This is my chain. With nitrous. Black rim. I know it blows, so I'm gonna buy it.
So don't leave no comment saying it blows, Snoop Dogg.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you heard him. Me.
Yeah.
Ow.
That is my video.
He hit me.
Please comment.
Please comment.
Hey,
I'm serious. Don't comment. You're gonna go get a Facebook.